Welcome to this video about the types of hardware for your pool cage. We offer our assistance to make buying a new pool cage, screen enclosure, and hardware for pool cage easier for homeowners. When requesting bids for your project, remember that you should make selections without sufficient information. Instead, get all the information you want from a sales representative. Starting with the first type of hardware are the screws. Ceramic-coated steel screws used in pool cage construction can rust over time due to weather and other external causes, affecting the overall durability and appearance of the structure. We advise replacing them as soon as you notice rust to prevent loosening or breakage. Next on the list, we have the kick plate. A kick plate in your pool enclosure can prevent water from splashing into your home. It's a waterproof slate made of metal that covers the lower portion of screens and other potential water leaks. Available in various sizes, kick plates can help keep your enclosure area tidy and separate. Moving on to the next hardware you can use on your patio is door kits. A pool cage door kit is a safety feature for backyard pools. It's a durable door that is installed in the screen pool enclosure, providing easy access while maintaining security. It keeps unwanted visitors out and gives peace of mind to parents and pet owners. Consider investing in one for your pool's safety. Ending our video with the last hardware for you pool cage is metals. Pool cages are made of aluminum, steel, or a combination of both. Aluminum is lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and low maintenance. Steel is strong, rigid, and provides added stability, but requires more maintenance. Some pool cages use a combination of both for added strength and durability. Consider the climate and building codes in your area when choosing materials. For more information, you can check out our website www.degiscreenfl.com.